Hey guys, so I'm just going to give a quick demo of my provenance audit lookup and how this works. So basically, you drag a file or you can open one up and then just send it in. Or I have examples of I'm showing how the provenance chain would look. So I'll just click on this. So as you can see, it's loaded up the provenance chain. And you can see here it's created a mapping table, and you can click on this and it'll just give you information on the mappings. I also have this, the lineage graph, so we can click on this and it can say, oh, this came from a V2 message, creates a provenance resource. You can click on that provenance, you can look at its JSON, you can see the target is creating an observation and it's coming from this HL7V2 ORU message. So you can just see in this graph exactly how it's supposed to work and how it flows. So it goes through observation, does a derivation, creates another provenance resource, and you can see right here it's going to create a diagnostic report, and it's coming from the previous observation. And you could just follow the whole chain here. So and it's telling you exactly here where it's coming from. So this one, Dr. Alice Nguyen. This one here, the integration created the diagnostic report, and then this one, Dr. Chen. But yeah, and so it does that for everything. So if you go to other examples, we have the V2 part, and you can kind of see how the messages get created here. So a V2 message comes in. So this is an ADT 01. If you go in here, it's an ORU R01. And you can just see how these the encounter gets created on the FHIR side coming from this. It maps everything. If you want details, you can just click on this and it'll give you more information. So this is great for audits. But yeah, you guys can mess around with it. I'm putting it up on open source. And if anyone wants to view it, that's or play with it and make any modifications, just let me know. But yeah, this is something cool. Also, I hooked it up to a FHIR server. So if I do this, okay, search. So we'll bring in my records. So it goes here. A record that I just created on the, I'm using the Open Happy FHIR server. But it plugs into a FHIR server. You can see the graph, something that was just created. You can see this is my patient on the Happy FHIR. This is the open server, by the way. But you can see everything that gets created. And you can see the patient information. You can see the observations that were created. But yeah, it all comes from the demo data generator, as you can see. But yeah, that's a quick demo. Obviously, this is first go through, so if you guys have any comments, there's a couple small bugs that I'm fixing, but yeah, that's my demo. Thanks.